Swatch number 121, the houndstooth print, is made with microfiber polyester and a filament yarn. It is an unbalanced plain weave that was printed using the direct print roller method. So this is a roller print. There is no finish. It drapes well. It feels silky and is used for blouses and dresses. And when you touch this one, you can see how silky it feels. But then the very important thing, if we compare the front to the back, you see the subtle difference in color between the two, indicating that the print paste was applied on one side and a bit of it soaked through, but this is very easily a print and identified as a print as opposed to a yarn dyed, and it doesn't have the twill weave that would be required to be an actual houndstooth. Swatch number 122, the Ecot, is 100% cotton. It is spun. It is a balanced plain weave. The color dye print method is the resist dye Ecot method, which is a hand process, meaning that these are most often imported from places like Central America and are expensive. Can be used for wall hangings, and there's or skirts, and there's usually an artist behind these fabrics somewhere. So another reason why our kit is expensive. Do you see this subtle smear of purple here? Right, the warp yarns were resist dyed, several different colors, and then combined with these solid yarn dyed yarns. Right, so in places the yarns were dyed, the warp yarns were wrapped. It was dipped in green, and then the warp yarns were while the wrap was the green areas were wrapped, and it was dipped in red. Right, and then similar process with the purple over here. Very subtle effect. Batik is 100% cotton, spun, balanced plain weave, and this was resist dyed using the Batik method, which is a whole cloth method as opposed to the Ecot, which is focusing on the warp yarns. It has a unique look because of the wax. It is also expensive because it's hand done, and it is used for apparel such as shirts and skirts. And I have some drapery made with Batik. So this is the unique look that it was mentioning. Any place the wax cracked, the color intensified a little bit, right? So the green, that the background was being dyed green, right, and the extra green creeped through the wax to the place that had been previously dyed red. So this is characteristic of batiks, and you'll notice also that the colors are basically the same on both sides, except for the glue where it was applied, because this is not a printed method, and this is actually a dye method.